Hello, dear food explorers. Welcome to the Foods Around the Globe channel, your ultimate guide to the culinary wonders of the world. Today, we're journeying to the Middle East, to the Sultanate of Oman. Located on the southeastern coast of the Arabian Peninsula, Oman's food culture is a delectable fusion of diverse influences. The country's varied geography, coastal, desert, and mountainous terrains plays a pivotal role in shaping its cuisine. It's a land where the robust flavors of the sea meet the earthy tones of the desert and the cool freshness of the mountains. Omani cuisine heavily relies on an array of spices, creating a symphony of flavors in every dish. Meat, especially lamb and chicken, holds a place of prominence, often prepared in traditional, time-honored methods. So, are you ready to dive into the world of Omani cuisine and discover its top 5 traditional foods? Buckle up and let's embark on this delicious journey. Kicking off our countdown at number 5 is the delectable Shuwa. This traditional Omani dish is a gastronomic wonder, slow-cooked to perfection using either lamb or goat. The magic of Shuwa lies not just in the quality of the meat, but in the unique cooking process that sets it apart. Imagine this. The meat is marinated with a blend of Omani spices wrapped in banana leaves and then cooked in an underground sand oven for up to 48 hours. This slow cooking method allows the meat to tenderize while absorbing all the flavors of the marinade, resulting in a dish that is succulent, tender, and bursting with rich, aromatic flavors. The spices used in the marinade, such as garlic, coriander, cinnamon, and cardamom, give Shuwa its distinct taste, creating a symphony of flavors that dance on your palate. This savory delight truly encapsulates the essence of Omani cuisine. At number 4, we have the mouth-watering Maqbous. Picture this, a beautifully spiced rice dish brimming with your choice of succulent meat or fresh fish. This is Maqbous, a staple in the Omani diet and a culinary delight that has been passed down through generations. What makes Maqbous truly special is the blend of spices that are used. Every grain of rice is infused with the flavors of saffron, black lime, and cardamom. These spices come together to create a unique taste and aroma that is undeniably Omani. But Maqbous is more than just a dish. It's a celebration of Omani culture and hospitality. You see, in Oman, Maqbous is often served during celebrations and gatherings. It's a way of bringing people together, of sharing a piece of Oman with friends, family, and guests. Maqbous, a feast for the senses, is a must-try for any food enthusiast. Moving on to number 3, we have the comforting haris. This is a dish that truly embodies the essence of Omani cuisine. Haris is a simple yet satisfying meal, made from wheat and meat, which are cooked together until they merge into a creamy porridge-like consistency. This dish is more than just a meal, it's a cherished tradition, especially during the holy month of Ramadan. As the sun sets and the day's fast is broken, families across Oman gather to share a pot of haris. The dish's warm, comforting texture is a balm to the soul, a fitting reward for a day of fasting and reflection. The beauty of haris lies in its simplicity. It's made from humble ingredients, yet it's incredibly filling and satisfying. The wheat and meat blend together, creating a unique taste that's both hearty and subtle. Haris, with its humble ingredients and comforting taste, truly captures the heart of Omani food. Coming in at number 2, we have the tantalizing mashwai. This traditional Omani dish is a testament to the rich coastal influence on the local cuisine. It's a delightful concoction of succulent kingfish served over a bed of aromatic rice. The kingfish, or mashwai as it's locally known, is a staple in Omani households. It's often grilled or fried to a golden crisp, then doused in a delectable sauce made from a blend of unique spices, saffron, and lime. The result is a dish that's brimming with flavor, each bite offering a hint of the sea with a tangy twist. The rice, on the other hand, is not just your average steamed rice. It is cooked with a variety of spices, often including cardamom and cloves, which add an unexpected depth of flavor. The combination of the tender fish and flavorful rice creates a symphony of taste that's hard to resist. Mashwai, with its fresh flavors, offers a taste of Oman's bountiful seas. And finally, at number 1, the crown jewel of Omani cuisine, halwa. This is not just a dessert, it's a symphony of flavors that sings the rich history and culture of Oman. Halwa is a sweet jelly-like delicacy, a labor of love, patiently cooked over several hours. Imagine a blend of rose water and saffron, the exotic aroma filling the air. Now add in a handful of mixed nuts like almonds, cashews and pistachios, lending a crunch to every bite. This beautiful fusion of flavors is then slowly cooked until it reaches a glossy jelly-like consistency. But halwa is more than just a dish, it's a celebration of life. It's the joyous echo of Omani weddings, the sweet note of success at graduation parties, and the comforting whisper of family gatherings. It's the dish that brings families together, that wraps up every feast, and that leaves a lasting sweet memory. Halwa, with its sweet and fragrant flavors, is the perfect end to our culinary journey. And there you have it, the top 5 must-try foods from the rich and diverse Omani cuisine. We embarked on a culinary adventure, starting with the hearty Shuwa, relishing the flavorful Maqbous, savoring the comforting haris, enjoying the versatile mashwai, and finally, ending with the sweet and satisfying halwa. Each dish tells a story, a tale of history, tradition, and the love for food deeply embedded in Omani culture. Exploring Omani cuisine is like opening a treasure chest of vibrant flavors, distinct textures, and an age-old culinary heritage. It's an adventure that every food lover should embark on. So don't just stop at this video, go out there and try these dishes for yourself. Who knows, you might find your new favorite food in an Omani dish. If you enjoyed this culinary journey, please like, share, and subscribe to Foods Around the Globe. Stay tuned for more delicious adventures. Until next time, happy eating!